Hey Priya, it has been a very long time. How are you?
Hi, yes, it has been a long time. I'm okay. How are you?
I'm good. I didn't expect to meet you today.
Same here. It's nice to see you.
So, what are you doing these days?
Right now, I'm looking for a job.
Oh, okay. What kind of jobs are you looking for?
Any job is fine. Even an administration job is okay.
Have you applied to any places?
Yes, I have applied to a few places, but I haven't got a job yet.
Oh, did you attend any interviews?
Yes, I attended a couple of interviews.
What was the problem? Why didn't it work out?
The main problem was my English. I understood the questions, but I couldn't answer confidently.
I see.
Sometimes I didn't know the right words. Sometimes I was scared of making mistakes, so I spoke very little.
That can be difficult.
Yes, I know I can do the work, but because of my English, I couldn't explain myself properly.
Don't worry too much. Many people face the same problem.
Really?
Yes. English is difficult at first, but it can be learnt with proper practice.
I want to learn, but I don't know the right way.
That's okay. Let me explain it simply.
You always say listening is important. But how does listening really help?
Good question. When your brain keeps hearing English again and again, it slowly starts to accept the language.
Even if I don't understand everything?
Yes, even then, your brain is still learning in the background.
How is that possible?
Think about children. They listen for a long time before they start speaking.
That's true.
In the same way, when you listen daily, your brain stores sounds, words, and sentence patterns.
So my brain is learning even when I'm relaxed?
Exactly. Some people even say your brain learns while you sleep because it remembers what it hears often.
That sounds interesting.
Yes. Slowly, English stops feeling strange. It starts to feel familiar.
Should I only listen or should I read also?
Both are important, but listening should come first
Why listening first?
because listening teaches you how English sounds in real life.
And reading?
Reading helps you recognize the words you already heard. It connects sound with spelling.
So listening and reading work together?
Yes, first you hear the language, then you see it in reading.
But speaking is still hard for me.
That's normal. Speaking comes after listening.
How?
When you listen many times, sentences stay in your mind.
Okay.
Then one day, when you need to speak, those sentences come out naturally.
So I don't have to force myself?
No. First, listen a lot. Then repeat small sentences. Speaking will improve slowly.
That makes me feel relaxed. So what should I do every day?
Listen to simple English for 20 to 30 minutes a day. Don't translate. Just listen and get used to the sound.
Okay.
After listening, read a little, then repeat a few sentences aloud.
All right. That sounds possible.
Yes, small steps every day are enough. Your brain will do the rest.
Thank you. Now I understand the purpose.
You're welcome. Just be patient with yourself.
I will keep practicing. Thanks for your advice.
Anytime. Take care. I hope this conversation has helped you. If you found it useful, consider subscribing so you won't miss out any videos.